non-violence, compassion, harmony. The word I like most, it is harmony. I think if we can build up harmony within ourselves and around us, all these other two words will come without any effort. If I'm a harmonious person, around me, all the others who respect me, who doesn't respect me, will be harmonious towards me. So there won't be violence. So we can have non-violence. Compassion. If I am harmonious to others, if I have harmony within me, I am a compassion person. So compassion will come without any effort. And if not only Indian friends, and also from Nepal, from Czechoslovakia, from US, from UK, I thank you again and again.
अहिंसा परमो धर्मः, अहिंसा परमो तपः, अहिंसा परमो सत्यम यतो धर्मा प्रवर्तते। अहिंसा परमो धर्मः, अहिंसा परमो दमः, अहिंसा परमं दानम, अहिंसा परमं तपः, अहिंसा परमं यज्ञम, अहिंसा परमो फलम, अहिंसा परमं मित्रम, अहिंसा परमं सुखम। जीवन जीने की शैली पीडीएल। पीडीएल की प्रवाह धारा, एनर्जी इतनी बढ़े कि सारा विश्व एक छत्र होकर के इसके संरक्षण में रहे।
When I was moving from Kathmandu, I thought about more words here. But I think in real life we need very few words, just like non-violence, compassion and harmony, which is essential for humans. Because I think from the Himalaya to Sri Lanka, we have much more similar civilization, socio-cultural and socio-economic patterns. And we are in developing phase, and we have been facing much more social, cultural, psychological and personal problems, and getting stressed too. Development is only not enough. So we need also non-violence, compassion and harmony. If unbalanced development and these words, we can't go or we can't attain good life.
First of all, I will thank you for giving me this opportunity. This is my first ever experience about PDL. I am very new to the PDL family, but I met Mr. Manjis at the first, and within a few months, I think I managed to come to know about PDL a lot. The most important message I got is, first of all, we have to develop ourselves, within ourselves. Thereafter, as Professor Lionel mentioned, most difficult part is managing ourselves. So I agree too. And all of the gathering here at least have some goal to manage themselves. That's why all of them are here. And I want to mention a word about Guruji. I respect you, and I see you as a great man, at least to have this sort of goal in his life and serving the whole mankind. Thank you, Guruji and the people.